Hey, welcome. Come on in. We are going to give you a tour of our 2017 25-foot International Signature Airstream. Myself and my partner Tyler and our 2 cats live in our Airstream full-time on the road. We originally had a dinette that came with this Airstream that flipped down. You can make it into a bed. We didn't use it much, so we took that out and had this custom table put in. It has storage space on both sides for our work items. Additionally, it floats, if you will, in the sense that we can put storage underneath. We have our cats' feeding area, water, they're spoiled, so they have a water fountain, and their food on that side. And it also gave us the option to add a chair here for different seating options. To keep shoes from cluttering the entrance, we have a little sliding area here that we can stick them in, and we also have a drawer here. So a handy way to not trip yourself when you come in. Above the table, we have a food storage area. We keep unsealed items high so that no critters or bugs can get in. We use these containers for our most used ingredients. We found that they don't slide around as much when we move, and they pack really nicely. Another thing that we did is that we reupholstered the cushions and pillows of the couch area. Instead of the leather that came with the Airstream, we found that the softer tweed is a little bit homier and more comfortable for us. We took out one of the cushions of this couch and instead had a custom cabinet built in for additional kitchen storage. It's a 3-tier cabinet and has definitely expanded the amount of storage space that we have in the kitchen. The cabinet also gives us more counter space, and that comes in super handy when I cook. I also like to use it as a stand-up desk when I work. Underneath the couch area, we have additional storage that acts as cat toys, vacuum, some exercise equipment that I definitely don't use, and we also store our sealed food items like cans, condiments that we're going to replace, etc. The Airstream came with dark wood paneling throughout the rig. We decided to paint the walls a nice creamy white. We also took out the chrome handles that came on the cabinets and put in these wooden ones that we stained ourselves. So here is our fridge. We have a pretty decent sized fridge. We definitely pack it all in though. Here's our freezer. The fridge has become a place where we can display some of our favorite travel moments, along with some pretty cute photos of our little kitty babies. And above the fridge, we have additional storage. This originally was a microwave area, but we didn't really use the microwave, so we took that out and had dividers installed. It's also where we keep our SodaStream and blender. These dividers have been really handy in keeping things from shifting around. We keep our skinnier items like trivets, cutting boards, miscellaneous pans. It's been really nice. This is our coffee corner, if you will. This tiny little cabinet houses all of our much beloved coffee items like our grinder, our beans, our kettle. We optimize this tiny space by putting hooks up in which we can hang our mugs. Another thing that we had done is that we took out the wire rack that came in this little pantry area and had a custom wooden one built. It got us a little bit more room, which for these smaller items makes a pretty big difference. Above here we have additional kitchen storage. This is where we have our plates, our water bottles, miscellaneous pans and strainers. Next to your stove area, you're gonna find your typical kitchen storage cabinets for spices, utensils, towels, whatever you need. It is a 3-burner stove, which has been really nice. We can make some really delicious meals here. And we have a propane oven as well. We took out the chrome faucet that came with our kitchen and instead installed this matte black one. We decided to make black our accent color, if you will, throughout the Airstream. So it definitely makes it a little more homier and residential. Additionally, underneath the sink, you're gonna have some more kitchen storage space. This is our bathroom. This is the toilet and sink area. Across the aisle or hallway, if you will, is where our shower is. There's plenty of storage options. This model came with a really great shelf on top, this side cabinet, all of these cabinets, and under the sink. So plenty of storage in this bathroom. This is my closet. It's a full 15 inches wide. I found that I don't need much more space, which I don't know, Kendra of 6 years ago would say the same thing. And this is our shower. One of the most frequent questions we get is, do you have a shower? We do. And it's a full shower. I can stand up in it, and I'm like 6 foot, so it's a pretty big shower. We have dividers here that come out where you can create your own little private space. This is our pegboard that Tyler created himself. Before it was just a flat wall, it was kind of a poor use of space, and so he installed this full pegboard, and it's been a great place to put all of your handy items that you want to snag before heading out the door, like hats, flashlights, masks, and your adorable little koozies. So now we're heading into the bedroom. This is a queen size mattress that we had custom made. I think it was super important that we did, living full time on the road, because a good night's rest is much needed. Above the bed, we have storage area for our clothes. We have these IKEA containers that keep things from shifting around when we drive. Underneath the bed, we have some additional storage that you can access from the sides. We can also access the underneath of this storage area by lifting. So this has been a great spot to put some of our bulkier items, like our backpacks, our hiking boots, some of our camera equipment. Also underneath the bed is our cat's litter box. So you'll see down here in this dark little corner, we had a cat door installed. So we can take these out, scoop them outside. If we drop some litter here and there, no worries, at least it's not inside the trailer. There's not much space, of course, to add some things, but we decided to add this cat tower or cat condo for Luna and Sunny. It's been a great perch for them to climb up and look outside the panorama windows. And we also installed this table / ledge. It's been a great divider in terms of space because it allows us to have our laundry underneath and keep some items above, like our fan, our books, and of course the cats have loved looking outside of this little window here. Good job, Luna. This is Tyler's closet. It's a little bit smaller than mine. I think it's about 12 inches wide. But he also has these drawers for his color coordinated t-shirts and shorts. Thanks so much for stopping and touring our home. I'm gonna go in and make myself another cup of coffee. Luna is saying goodbye as well. Safe travels. Thank you. Hi. Hi. You want to say hi? You going to say bye-bye? Ciao.